Welcome back everybody to the R44 workshop, and today we finally have our F80 M3 on the ramp for some more mods. This car is fully dripped out underneath. It's got full kinematic synth. All right guys, welcome to the R44 workshop and welcome to our F80 M3. This is a stage 3 monster. So it's tuned by Tom Ridley Performance. It's got hybrid turbos and it's on stock intakes and an active AutoWorks midsection with a stock back box. But our valves are rattling something like this. So our exhaust is rattling really bad. So that's the original system. That's been on the car since probably almost 2014 or 2015. But anyways, like I mentioned, it's a stage 3 car built by Tom Ridley Performance. It's super fast, it sounds okay, but it's time to make it sound better. We've got a Scorpion kind of 3/4 system. It's like a cat back if you've not got OPFs, but if you've got OPFs, it's an OPF back system. It's got 4 components, which is really nice for a mechanic to install. It's got a back box with integrated valves. When they're closed, the gases will flow through the back box. When it's open, they'll be free flowing. It's got a really nice kind of like H pipe in the middle, which I think will be really nice. And then we've got these little link pipes to put it together. You also have a few different tip options. You've got carbon tips, Cerakoted tips, as well as chrome. So we've got the Cerakoted and the chrome. So we'll see what looks best, because currently we've got a bit of a white and a black theme, but I think we do need to add some chrome to this build. But yeah, we're gonna get installed in now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a standard midsection. This is an OPF midsection, so for cars here in the UK and Europe after 2018. But if you guys are in the US and you want something like this, your midsection is not gonna have these filters that I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you that now. And then we're gonna get wrenching. And yeah, let's hear what this sounds like. The people want to see what the Scorpion looks like, so here it is. So this is the midsection. You can see there, these are OPF filters. You have those in the UK and Europe. This system goes after those. So this is a track car, so we need those sound limits. It's going to be helpful. Midsection, that is going to be replacing all of this section after there. So you're going to cut there, we're going to sleeve it, connect this kind of X pipe, H pipe thing. And then when these boys are going to replace these, and then it's going to connect to this beautiful back box and the chrome tip. So what we're going to do now, put the car up in the air, show you what we currently have on the car, and then cut this, put it all together, put it on the car, and get revving. All right, cool. So this is the underneath of our F80 M3. It's a bit rusty, so be very cautious when you're installing a system like this on these bolts. I highly recommend putting some sort of lubricant on them, maybe get some heat in them. If you snap one, you're going to be doing it for a long time. So this is an active AutoWorks midsection. It's an equal length resonated midsection to an OEM back box with some valve controllers. So it's quite good. It sounds nice, but what we're having is a lot of valve rattles. So the valves are rattling on the back. To get original system, BMW want crazy money. An aftermarket system like Scorpion is much better value, and you get the sound when you open those valves. So it's going to sound amazing. So what we're going to do now is start stripping this system down. We'll just drop the whole system, move it over, because we've got that other midsection, because we don't have the midsection. Obviously, we can't cut the active AutoWorks to link the Scorpion to it. So we're going to use the original one, just like you guys have at home. But anyways, this is our beautiful car. If you have an F80 M3, of course, shop on the website. We've got suspension secrets arms. We highly recommend our Geo Pack, which is rear toe arms, front control arm bushings to pair up with your springs or coilovers. We obviously have performance brakes, brake lines, etc., etc. So yeah, F80 M3s, F82s, F87s are our specialty. So get shopping today. We've got loads of great stuff. Oops. Smoky boys. All right, boom. We are back. We are we're out sending the F80, of course. All right, third time lucky. out in the F80 M3. We just had the exhaust installed, and I'm not gonna lie, it actually sounds insane. So we had an active AutoWorks equal length mid pipe with a non-competition rear back box. So quite a mouthful with what we previously ran. Now it's super simple. We've got a secondary catback Scorpion system with chrome tips. So we opted for the chrome tips. I think they're gonna be just subtle, clean. They're gonna go with the car quite well as we probably change more chrome parts. But install was pretty easy, and going back just a couple steps, I mentioned secondary catback. So this car obviously is a stage 3 track car. We run hybrid turbos from Tom Wrigley. We then go into some catless high flow downpipes. Going through those, we now have 2 of the OE secondary cats. That's gonna provide a little bit of sound kind of filtering for track days so that we don't have any issues when we go on a track day. I don't want to go and spend the money driving to a track day to then turn around and go home because it's too loud. It's not what we're here for. So we've got the secondary cats, and then it's the beautiful Scorpion system, which is pretty much straight through to the back box. When the valves are open, we're winning. So yeah, so far so good. We're just going to get out of traffic now. We'll give it some revs. We have minimal pops and bangs on this car, so you're not going to get the effect if you had pops and bangs, just because we don't need them. But if you're a pop and bang king, I'm sure it sounds good. Just like that, super simple. It's an F80. It's designed for having fun. It's a good car, and I just love the sound. It's smooth. It's not too raspy. It sounds like it's ready to hit a track day, not be too loud, pleasant, and it hasn't got that horrible rasp. So engage, no launch control. Fourth gear, going 34 miles per hour. So, and a slight bit of smoke. What's happened, Dylan? It sounds good. Like, when you let off, it's just got those little factory pops. The downshifts sound good. Obviously, F80 M3, there are so many exhaust options on the market for this car because it's been out this car's coming up 10 years old. There's a lot of options on the market, and they literally range from £1,000 up to £10,000, right? And the Scorpion's making the girls wink out there. The Scorpion, in relation to like a Krapovich, you got the Miltex, you got a few other brands, the value for money is really good. I think it's one of the most competitive systems on the market, and I don't think you're dropping the quality. You've got UK manufactured, so you're using, good quality standards, good working environments, and good quality materials to make, an overall perfect exhaust. So I think if you're looking for something to just bring your car alive a little bit, this is a great option. To throw a little spanner in the work, we've got to tell them, Dylan, we have been on a track day before this video is going live in this car, and we must say we passed sound regulations with ease, and we were driving with the valves closed and we had no rattles. So far quality is perfect. Yeah, so that's valves closed. Well, we've got them valves 100% closed, and then we're gonna do 100% open. So through the rev range into third gear. So wow, what a car, what a soundtrack. It just doesn't sound overly loud. I think if you want to take this system to the step louder, what you do is you get these connection pipes that remove the secondary cat. So if you want it, so you could run a sports cat, you can run an OE cat. So if you're running standard catalytic converters, I recommend getting the link pipes to get rid of the secondary cats. But because this is our full track car and we don't want to deal with any noise complaints, but we want it to sound good, we've got the high flow cats in, and then we've got the secondary OEM cats in place, and then the Scorpion after that. So you've got a few options from Scorpion. You can also get the axle back. So if you're looking at running like a catless front catless downpipes, you can keep the stock midsection And then you can open up with a nice Scorpion back box if you've got rattly valves, so that's a good value for money option. Now we're gonna get out of the car, we're gonna do some normal open and close revs in Sport Plus, and then we will do a couple flybys. And of course, if you guys wanna hear this system, look, you got two options. You can email us, send us a WhatsApp, we can jump on a video call, we can show you inside the car, you can get outside, you can feel it, or just if you're in the UK, come down to our workshop. This F80 is 90% time, well, anyways, majority of the time this F80 is inside our unit, so you will be able to see it. That 600 brake horsepower comes in handy, doesn't it? Phone's gone, but anyways, look, guys and girls, hope you've enjoyed this video. It's a bit different, well, it's very similar to what we normally do anyways here at R44. So that brings me on. If you need anything for your BMW, whether it be service components, brake components, suspension, exhaust, turbos, or some carbon fiber, hit us up. Our sales team are more than happy to talk to you. And of course, just like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and see what we're up to next. This is our F80 M3. We love it. It's an absolute beast on track. We use it at least every 2 weeks on a racetrack, and we put every part that we put on it for its paces, really.